Okay, sorry about that. My recording ran out of time. I guess I've been talking too long. But just to finish up, I was talking about the common sense education um, curriculum and how it is still E-rated, and it is the CIPA, which is the Child Protective Act. It covers all of those things necessary to fulfill those requirements to receive the funds. Our next curriculum is the it is through the Los Angeles County officials. The second type, this is a 21st century teaching and learning curriculum. It is designed and created by the Los Angeles County Schools. It has 6 main points that, again, are compliant with the E-Rates and CIPA Act. This is media balance and well-being, privacy and security, digital footprint and identity, relationships and communication, cyberbullying, digital drama, and hate speech, news and media literacy. Our third and final curriculum actually is based around a couple of curriculums. It's, again, the Common Core, the NetSmart, which is a new one, and then the I Keep Safe faux pas. This third curriculum is also E-rated and CIP certified to provide schools with the tools necessary to be in compliance. The curriculum splits it up to be K-5, 6, 8, 9, 12, and has a really cool section to help educate parents. This curriculum, like I said, is supplemented around 3 different ones. Lastly, this leads me into the standard correlation. So I believe this assignment correlates perfectly with the standard 2.0 and 2.1 to educate our kids as well as ourselves on being ethical and professional. It is necessary that we know how to do this in the 21st century where technology is so important. Technology and digital citizenship is a major component of our lives as our society now interacts on a daily basis online. It is extremely important that we and our students know how to communicate respectfully, responsibly, and ethically. This is relevant. This assignment was relevant to my learning outcomes set for this unit. I was educated on the fact of how we can become better digital citizens, how to communicate effectively and ethically, and most importantly, some of the requirements necessary to help our teachers and students to be good digital citizens. In reflection, as a teacher and future administrator, I believe that digital citizenship plays a massive role in how we run technology in our building. It is important that I teach my students as well as the staff how to respond ethically online to others. And honestly, one of the main points that really stood out to me and reflected is the tone and voice and social cues. They're not easily interpreted via online as we could, face to face. And I believe that is also very important to how students and adults understand. Here is my references, and that's my presentation.